What is your job on the Mr. Canary sock feeders?
Filling, weighing, displaying, shipping.
And what weight do the sock feeders have to be?
Between 0.75 and zero point 0.8 pounds,
Perfect.
I think.
How long have you been doing that job on the sock feeders? It doesn't have to be exact, but
Seems like 3 or 4 years.
that sounds right to me too.
Yeah.
What do you enjoy most about your work with the sock feeders?
I don't have one particular favorite job. I just like doing everything that I'm asked to do because I like the physical activity.
Perfect. And besides work, besides Mr. Canary, what is your favorite activity or favorite program here at the Ark?
Socializing with the other clients.
Perfect. And then this can be at the Ark or outside of the Ark, but what is your favorite way to spend your free time outside of work?
Well, sometimes if the weather's nice, there's a basketball goal on the driveway at our group home. I'll do that a lot. If the weather's not nice, then I just stay in, do whatever chores they ask me to, and look at the computer.
Very good.
Not too much TV, more computer.
Okay. And is there anything else that we should know about you?
I'm just a human being full of imperfections.
Aren't we all?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mike. We appreciate everything you do.
Okay.